Excellent. So I got some moringa powder, and I'm always making moringa powder tea. So today I want to give you a recipe on this one. So hopefully you guys will love it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. The moringa powder is powerful. It is good. Drink it for 10 days and see what happened to your body. It's something which can heal the body, guys. All right. So stay tuned in. I got half of a lemon. I'm going to put it inside of it also. So right here I got half teaspoon of honey, which I'm going to put inside of it and give it a mix. Now, not only that, very good for your weight loss too, you know. Very good for menopause and a lot more stuff, guys. So I encourage you guys to give this a drink and don't underestimate moringa. All right. Stay tuned for more tips and more ideas from Chef Ricardo Cooking. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. Drink it for 10 days and see. You can also use moringa powder and moringa leaf. Whether if one of them makes you happy, please use it.